Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm doing a code with me, but actually it's a code review. And the reason why is because I got up early this morning and I thought I was going to do a really quick code with me and put it on YouTube, and hopefully if it was quick enough that I could put it to music. But it didn't turn out to be quick at all, and as a result of that, I decided to just make it a code review instead of a code with me. And so what I want to do is I want to go over a code review of how to view images, how to view images using Matplotlib, because I've been studying and I just found out how to do that. And since I just found out how to view images on Matplotlib, I thought, well, it will be a good idea to view some images and put it on YouTube so people can view the images as well. So I made a short program, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to import the libraries of Panda, Numpy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. And then after we have input the libraries that we normally input, then what we're going to do is we're going to load our image. So from PIL, import image. So TIMG equals image.open, and that's the path that the file is in, because what I did was I took a picture of myself, I emailed it to myself, and then I copied it over to my drive. So I'll show you where it is, if I can find it. So it's just taking me a little while. So there we go, Tracy_B-Day JPG. So that was the picture that I decided to use. And then so we're going to TIMG array equals NP array TIMG, and then TIMG array dot shape. So basically what it did was it took the picture and it converted it into a three-dimensional Numpy array. So the shape was 1536. I think it's 1536 rows by 2730 columns by 3, because it's a three-dimensional array. And this is the picture. And what happened was it turned the picture sideways, and I thought, well, I don't like that. I don't want a sideways picture. So I decided I'd try to rotate it. So I rotated the picture, but when I rotated the picture, it cut part of the picture off, and I thought, well, I don't want part of the picture to be cut off. And so the size was 2730 by 1536 when you rotated it. So yeah, so it's rotated by 270 degrees. So the 270 right here tells you that it's 270 degrees. But it chopped off the top and it chopped off the bottom. And I thought, well, I don't want that. So I thought, well, I'll try it again. So I tried it again, and it still chopped off the top and chopped off the bottom. And I thought, well, I don't like that. So I tried using SkyPy ND image as ND image, see what would happen. So I set my angle for 270, new data equals nd image dot rotate, and it's t.ing angle, and reshape equals true. And so plt I'm show new data plt show. So that's a picture of me with it rotated. But the thing is that, well, we'll come over here and we'll say, see if it'll work. Okay. So it's going to take just a little while for it to run the program again. So there it is, 2730 by 1530 by 3. So that's the shape of your new data. And then, so I thought, well, this just isn't working out. What can I do? So I thought, well, what I'll do is I'll take the picture and I'll just make it a square and see what happens. So I took the picture and I made it a square, so it was 2368 by 2368 by 3. So you can see the picture, which is a square, which is fine, except for the fact that it doesn't solve the problem that if the picture is a rectangle, then it could be misrotated. So I tried a second picture, and I used exactly the same code, and I used the second picture using the same code, and it was right side up. So I'm not sure exactly how to do it. I mean, my skill, I'm still developing my skill, but on my first picture, it was rotated incorrectly, and then this picture is rotated correctly. So the only thing that you can do is you can do it as a trial and error, and if it rotates correctly, great, you know, fantastic news. But if it doesn't rotate correctly, then what you have to do is you have to try to rotate it. And then the thing is that you can also save the picture into the file, and I actually tried that. I actually tried saving the picture into the file, and then whenever I tried to call the picture up, it wasn't there. So this is just displaying the image. It's not, this is just displaying the image. It's not, it's not saving picture. So, but this is just a code review that you've got that will show you actually how to display the image. So I've got two pictures of myself that I have used to display the image, and so you can use the code and you can try the code yourself out and see how you get on. So I will conclude this code review. I hope you got something out of it, and I look forward to making more code reviews, code with me's, and studies with me's in the future.